Welcome everyone. My name is Adam Schuyler, and on behalf of the entire NMR Box team, we're thrilled that you can join us for this workshop, this virtual workshop, a new form of our traditional summer workshop. So I'm going to give a quick couple of slides introduction for the day, and then we'll get started. So today you're going to hear from the four presenters across the top row there. We're thrilled to have Frank Delaglio connected with this project. Frank is at NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, as well as an appointment at University of Maryland. He has been an absolutely integral part of the NMR Box team, collaborating with a variety of initiatives, and he is instructed at virtually every workshop we have taught, and it's a real pleasure to have him part of this team and to be able to present again today. Then Mark Macheski, Jeff Hoke, and myself, we are all part of the NMR Box team at the University of Connecticut, and we will all be presenting material today on non-uniform sampling and spectral processing. And on the second row, Gerard Weatherby and Yulia Pustovalova are both part of the NMR Box team and kind of lurking in the attendee list. They're going to help out with some user support questions, maybe if we have some breakout sessions, join the group discussions that way. They're both tremendous assets to this team, and it's great to have them in the workshop as well today. In the emails that you've all received, there was a full syllabus that was included on our website. Here it is again. As we go into breaks and other downtime, I'll just put this up on screen as a reminder. Nothing here has changed, but this is in here for your reference. And then finally, I want to just go over some quick protocol as to how we're going to handle this virtual workshop. This is a first for us, so bear with us. Our policies will evolve as the day goes if need be, but here are just a couple quick reminders to make it a little bit easier for everyone. So if you haven't done so already, in Zoom when you connect, or even after you've connected, you can modify your name. It would be helpful if you put your full name in. That way we can tell who has connected to this workshop, and we can check if there are any registered attendees that haven't been able to connect. We have the ability to mute microphones, and we're going to do that during all talks. We ask that you disable your video camera during talks. That's probably going to reduce the bandwidth and give everyone a better viewing experience. If you have questions during a talk, there's a raise hand feature inside of Zoom. So if you take a look here at the top screenshot, at the bottom panel of Zoom, you'll see this toolbar. And if you click on the participants button here, you'll get a panel that opens out to the right. And at the bottom of that panel is a raise hand button. So if you ever have a question, you can click on that button, and then at the discretion of the presenter, they can see that and choose to kind of call on you. At that point, you can unmute yourself, ask your question, and we'll continue with the talk. Presenters may choose to kind of address questions at the end, so you can leave your hand raised there and we'll come back to that question if need be. During open discussions, at breaks, at the end of talks, if we choose to use breakout rooms, of course, during those times, we welcome you all to turn on your video cameras, unmute, have some conversations if we can, and try to get a little bit of a sense of community today. And then finally, there's a box note that I shared with everyone through email. That's going to serve as our communications backup. If we have any trouble whatsoever with Zoom, we can post a message on that box note. If there are URLs, links, things that we want to share with you during the course of the discussion, we can put that kind of information in there. If you have more detailed questions or comments, any feedback for us, you can write those messages into that box note. And it's a collaborative workspace. Everyone that's has access to that link will be able to read right into that file, so we can use that as a sandbox for everyone.